Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some gorgeous hot summer 2023 hairstyle ideas. First up, we have this bob with bangs. I love the overall shape and color for this bob. This is absolutely stunning, and ombre hair has managed to make a huge comeback this season. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next on our list of summer haircut ideas includes this bob with curtain bangs. Such a beautiful style. I'm loving the color on this bob haircut as well. And then the stylist does add some waves for a nice tousled appearance. Next up on our list will be this haircut transformation, which features a coppered pixie style. Another hot hair idea you can try out for this summer is the look of a tousled bob haircut. And then we have another asymmetrical pixie style. She starts off with long waist length hair, and the stylist cuts it into this gorgeous pixie. absolutely stunning transformation. Now next up, we're going to be seeing a lot of shaggy pixie styles this summer season. Followed by the blonde bob. So I hope that you guys have found some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.